Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix unable to upload story on Instagram. So guys, when you want to upload any story on your Instagram account and facing this type of issue, here you can see I am uploading this story. So below you can see wait for connection. When I am clicking on it, so here you can see it paused on uploading. So I can't upload my story on Instagram. So how can you fix it? So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to go back, and after this open your settings, click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your device is connected with Wi-Fi. So you need to connect it. So if don't have Wi-Fi, then you need to connect with mobile data. So I have Wi-Fi, therefore I am connecting with Wi-Fi. So after connecting it, go back and open App Store and search here Instagram and click on Instagram and make sure that your Instagram app is updated. If not updated, then you need to update it. So here you can see my app is not updated, therefore I am facing this issue. So first of all, you need to update it, and after doing update, go and check that your problem is fixed or not. So after update your problem is still facing, then open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, click on software update, and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is up to date to latest iOS version. And after doing this, go back, click on iPhone storage, scroll it down, click on Instagram, click on offload app and click on offload. So after doing offload, your problem will be fixed. Then after offload, you need to reinstall it again from App Store, and after doing this, go back, click on date and time and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is set automatically. So after doing this, go back, scroll down, click on VPN and device management and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone or iPad. And after doing this, go back, scroll down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network setting. So here you need to put passcode of your iPhone or iPad, and after doing reset network, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to upload your story on Instagram. So by doing these methods, your problem will be fixed. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.